Wonder Thinkers! Welcome back to the Wonder Why Lab, where we explore the weirdest, wildest questions that pop up in your brain, sometimes with a hiccup. Speaking of hiccups, today's question is, why do we get hiccups? Let's find out, and try not to hiccup too much along the way. Hiccups are one of those strange things that happen to everyone. Babies, kids, grown-ups, even cats and dogs sometimes. But what are hiccups, and why do they make that funny hic sound? To understand hiccups, we've got to zoom inside your body. Right under your lungs, there's a muscle called the diaphragm. Say it with me, diaphragm. This muscle helps you breathe. When you breathe in, your diaphragm moves down, pulling air into your lungs. When you breathe out, it moves up, pushing the air back out. Nice and smooth, like a super chill wave. But sometimes your diaphragm gets a little spooked, and it starts to spasm. That's when it suddenly jerks down, pulling in air really fast. When that rush of air hits your voice box or your vocal cords, it slams them shut and pow. That's what makes the hic sound. So what makes your diaphragm freak out like that? Here are some common hiccup triggers. Drinking fizzy soda too fast, eating a big meal too quickly, swallowing cold air or chewing gum, laughing a lot, and getting surprised. It's like your body says, "Oh, something's happening. Let's hiccup about it." But wait, why do hiccups keep going and going and going? Well, once your diaphragm starts hiccuping, it can be hard to stop, like it's got the giggles. Luckily, hiccups usually only last a few minutes. But everyone has their own favorite way to stop them: holding your breath, drinking water upside down, getting a surprise, or just waiting it out. Scientists aren't 100% sure what really works. But sometimes your brain and diaphragm just need a moment to calm down. Okay, Wonder Lab crew, let's review. Number 1, hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms. Number 2, that sudden air rush closes, your vocal cords making the hic sound. Number 3, they can be triggered by eating, drinking, laughing, or surprise. Number 4, hiccups usually go away on their own. And yes, they're totally normal. Even baby, you hiccuped before you were born. So, the next time you hiccup, just laugh and say, "Hey diaphragm, take a chill pill." Thanks for joining us at the Wonder Why Lab, where your questions turn into awesome answers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a new adventure. See you next time, scientists.